Hello my friends, Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and it is time for another 30-second card in, who knows at this point, right? I mean, come on, let's be honest. But Ken is set with the timer and I am here. I just finished our videos for the month and I had leftover stuff, so I just said, okay, I'll leave this stuff. I was starting to put it away and I'm like, wait, what am I doing? I need to do the 30-second card. And I'm like, okay, I'll just use these colors, what I have left. So what do I have left? I have the brand new poppy color, which is yummy, yummy. I have banana, I have blue jay, I have some powdered sugar, I have some sky, and then I have some random colors that I used for the Kit Club video. This is some poppy and some midnight and some, this is actually strawberry. So you never know what Stephanie's gonna use, but I figure I'm just gonna leave that out because why not, right? Also out on my desk is the For You gift card holder, which I'm not gonna make a gift card holder, but maybe I'll use something from this kit because it has some fun flowers and ladybug and who knows. And then, dun, 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 I'm excited about this one. Scalloped Slimline Card Die Set. You know I'm using this baby. I'm finally getting to share it with you. I'm so excited about that. So I have my samples right here. Oh, let me peel. You know what? I'm going to cheat. I'm going to take them off the tape because let me tell you, my friends, that tape is always there. Let's see, I want to peel this guy off because see, sometimes it's not as easy. It takes seconds and those seconds cost me time. So it comes with the word congratulations and blessings. So we'll see what we're going to do. Okay, whew. Okay, that saved me like what, an hour? No, I'm kidding. Okay, Kenneth. Oh, you know what I'm going to also do? I'm going to move this closer so it's like ready to go. Look at that. I'm getting smart. Okay, Kenny, are you ready with the timer? Yes. He says yes. Okay, hang on, let me think for half a second. Okay. On your marks. Get set. Start the time. Dun, 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 dun. I always like to add the music because the music always helps. Dun, dun, dun. You know what? Kenny should add music to this. That would be fun, huh? If he added a little bit of music, like, oh, hurry, hurry, hurry music. Because, you know, what happens is I talk and then I forget that I have to hurry. So I'm supposed to hurry. So if you've never seen one of these videos before, please, I beg you, go back and watch the very first one. Every once in a while when I need a laugh, I will watch the first one again because it is kind of funny and it's awesome and it's funny. And you can see the hair color changes every once in a while. And you can also, because we have some from 10 years ago that I did this. And we have some, it's just, you have to go watch it. Okay, so I'm going to take both of these and I'm going to die cut this at the exact same time. But I need, oh, hang on, I'm going to use these colors. Ooh, let's use yellow for this. Oh, that yellow's bright. Oh, we got to get a different yellow. Okay, let's use this one. Okay, banana is just a little too bright for me. Or maybe that's sunshine. Okay, hang on. So here I'm going to grab this, grab that, lay this down, run that through. So this is for the panel or the layering die. And then I'm going to use the same die with the background die and some adhesive on the back. So here's the same die with this one, and let's get some adhesive on the back. I wish I had my bigger adhesive here, but I think I sent it all to Utah. So there's one. I'm going to add another one on here because there's no way I'm going to try to do that. There's two. Now I've got extra over here, so go a little slower on that. And then I got an extra one. I'm going to trim this off just like that, and I'm going to add that right there. Now I'm not going to trim this. I'm just going to pay attention to where that is, and I'm going to lay this down, lay this gorgeous dotted die down. Now I need to run this through twice because let me tell you, my friends, there is no way in the world I'm going to get all that in one swipe. Okay, that's crooked. Hang on, I'm going to spend an extra half a second and tape this sucker down because I do not want it to be crooked. That'll annoy me for the rest of time. Okay, so I'm going to lay that down. Oops, lay that down. Okay, and tape it because I do not want it to move. Okay, let's lay that down. Okay, go, 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 go. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Okay, lay that down, run that through. And this sucker is going to, oh, and we're a little crooked, so we're going to go back and we're going to straighten that and we're going to go again. Okay, so there's one. Now I'm going to reposition it just a little and we're going to run this through again. Second time, it's always easier because you already got most of it going. That die is a strong die though. Woo, okay. Now, what do we have? Dun, 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 dun. It's worth it though, because look at this. Look at this now. I'm going to flick it over here because I don't want to have to clean all those up. Look at that, look at that. Okay, let's clean this up a little, clean this up. Let's add this to our card. Okay, now that scallop is gonna line up perfect. Perfect. Let's move it over just a little. Look how cute that is. Now this inside die is also interchangeable with the other panel dies of the Slimline, so you can mix and match those. Look at this, you guys. Now, can you imagine trying to add adhesive to the back of this later? No way. And I have a couple more flicks, but look at that. Cut it all perfect. Run it through twice. It'll save you. And I'm going to add this down right there. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. And then what we're going to do is we got to cut out. Let's see. Ooh, I want to do blue. Ooh, I'm going to do this. So this is midnight. And I want to do congratulations. Congratulations. Oh, okay. So I hope this fits on here. Oh my goodness, I hope it fits. Yay! Okay, congratulations. But then I also want to do, we got to kind of incorporate some of these colors. Where's that blue? Where'd that blue go? Oh, I don't have enough of that blue. Hang on. Grab this one because I want to incorporate that color again. And we're going to get the shadow die. I don't think all this is going to fit on here. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, my goodness. I know the time is running out. The pressure. Okay, so now we're going to run this through. Don't move. There we go. Run that through. And then what we're going to do is we are going to add this die and this die. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so we're gonna add this. Now I also want to get some foam, adhesive foam. And look at this, you guys. Whoa, look how intricate this is. Whoa, look at that. Look at that, my friends. I'm telling you, if you've never used the adhesive sheets, you are missing out. Look at how gorgeous. Look at that, dang. I haven't die cut this one in a long time. Look at that. And I even added the eye on there so you don't have to add that separate. Okay, and I want to pop this guy up. Oh gosh. This is taking forever. And I'm just going to make my own foam squares because this has got to be thin. Kenny's probably laughing at me because this is taking so long. And we're going to trim this one. But all my friends say that Kenny and I need to do a race on a 30-second card. So someday I will get that guy racing me on a card, which will be really fun. We have to just start doing some challenges or something. Okay, so I'm gonna add this. I almost added it backwards. So now I'm adding this probably right there. And then it's kind of looking a little plain. So I'm going to add some ribbon and I'm going to add some, ooh, I need yellow. Yellow. Ooh, here's the yellow. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna add this. This is a light yellow. And I'm going to add it like this. Oh my goodness. I know Kenny's laughing at me right now. He's all, this is like fail, epic fail, he's saying. Epic fail. Okay, tie. So you guys can tell I never planned this ahead of time because trust me, these cards would be better if I planned it ahead of time, but that's part of the fun. Okay, so we're going to tie this. We do knots because we're in a hurry. And we're tying that, and we're laying that, and then we're going to trim this to be pretty. And we're going to trim this one to be pretty. And we're going to move that over here. There we go. Now I need to add, hang on. I have these left over from the kit club, so I'm going to use these two. And I'm going to do this. 1, 2, whoops, okay, that's good. And let's do, ooh, here's the one. 3. Now, almost, whoops, oh, get over there. Almost done, Ken, so you, oh, that one's crooked. Oh, dang it, now it's gonna bug me. Okay, almost done, Kenny, you better get ready. I just have to add my stamp on the back. Okay, and we need some ink. And Forever Black, go big or go home. Stop, 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 stop. Did you hit stop?
Yep.
Okay. I told, see, don't you like that I warn you that it's coming up pretty soon? Because, you know, when it's done, it's done. Okay, my friends, let's see how we did. So here we go. Here's our cute little congratulations, which is popped up, which is really fun. And we got 3 layers here. We have our light blue, it's Blue Jay. Then we have Poppy and we have Lemonade. And then we have congratulations is in Midnight. And then we have our cute little flowers there. And I got to write something on the inside though. But then I got my little One of a Kind by Stephanie Barnard, my little cookie dog. Oh my gosh, I almost lost my, Okay, Kenny, I don't know if I want to see. Oh, well, 8 minutes exactly? It's 8 minutes and not even 8:01. 8 minutes, not bad. That's not bad. But look how awesome that is. Isn't that awesome? That's gonna knock somebody's socks off. Maybe not your socks, but it'll knock somebody's socks off. So my friends, thank you for watching another episode of a 30-second card in 8 minutes exactly. Couldn't do that again if I tried. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. Girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways, but what's the point if you never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good, and there will never be connection without repeated actions, but wish we could, I would like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways, but what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good, and there will never be connection without repeated actions, but wish we could, I would like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can